all understand what are riders. I overheard a person who was traveling on a bike. He was saying rider. Rider means the person who's sitting behind, that is a co-passenger in case of a motorbike. Do you feel that's what is rider? Of course not. Let's understand what is rider. I am Mrs. Preeti Dhadke, your financial advisor. Let's understand. Rider essentially means a benefit which most of the insurance policies have to have. Let's understand the importance of rider. As it is said, rider comes with an extra cost, but that extra cost, paying that extra cost is really worth it. Let's see why. The first and the foremost, riders. There are totally, for a life insurance policy, 5 important insurance riders. First is the accidental death benefit, accidental death and disability benefit, term rider, critical illness, premium waiver benefit. Let's see one by one. We are going to take a common example where there is a person, Ajay, who's the father, age 30. Child's age is 2 years. Term of the policy what he has opted is 20 years. And sum assured is 5 lakh. And the plan what he has opted is LIC Jeevan Umang. Now let's see what is the first rider. That is accidental death benefit rider. Now assuming that Mr. Ajay meets an accident and he has opted for an accident death benefit rider. In that case, as the sum assured is 5 lakhs rupees, on his death, nominee will receive a sum assured plus a sum assured. That is, the nominee will receive 5 lakhs plus 5 lakhs. But the condition is the person should die only due to an accident. See the example. We can see here the proposer's age when he had taken the policy was 30, and after 5 years he dies. So the nominee over here receives 10 lakhs because Ajay died due to an accident. So I believe we are comfortable with the accident rider. Let's go to the second rider. Accidental death and permanent disability benefit. Now many people die in the accident, but at times people become disabled. Now what is disability? In terms of insurance, we can see out of this 6 listed, any 4 of the conditions if are prevailed, you are eligible for disability rider. The first is dressing. If a person is unable to do his own dressing, feeding, washing, he is able to do his toilet activity, mobility, and finally transferring. Of this 6, if any of the 4 conditions are applicable, then a person is declared as disabled. Now let's see what is the benefit if a person is opting for this rider. Same example, Ajay, he didn't die but he became disabled. So now what is the benefit he is going to get? See, if he is survival, what is he going to get for next 10 years? He will get a monthly maintenance of 5 lakhs because the sum assured opted over here is 5 lakhs. So 10% of that he would be getting it for the next 10 years as a monthly reimbursement. Are we clear? Term rider. Term rider promises an extra amount to nominee on the death of the life insured. Now you would be little confused. In accidental death, benefit, the nominee would receive 5 lakhs plus 5 lakh. The condition was that he should die of accident. Now many people may die, have a natural death. So here, if a person has opted the same policy, but if that person dies due to a natural death, then the nominee will get 5 lakhs plus 5 lakhs, that is 10 lakhs. Critical illness rider. Many people suffer critical illness like cancer, heart blockage, or any such disease which are listed in insurance policy. So if a person have such illness, after taking the policy he may get a benefit. The minimum benefit is 1 lakh and the maximum is 25 lakh. If cancer cover plan, then maximum benefit can be up to 50 lakh. Waiver of premium. This is utmost important for a people, especially for a parent. When a parent is taking a policy for a child, he is assuring that his child's education is assured whether he is there or not there. Again, a situation may arise that in accident he may be alive but he may suffer disability. So in these conditions, all the future premiums are waived off and it is taken care by the insurance company. So it is like making an arrangement for your child, career and education when you are there or not there. So we suggest that every parent should have a child plan. Now let's see with an example. Ideally, LIC's Jeevan Lakshya policy is best over here. Let's see this here. Now a person age 30, he has taken this policy for his child, and assuming that he dies, say a natural death, immediately the policy's holder nominee will receive a sum of rupees. All the future premiums which was planned, which was due, would be waived off. The insurance company will pay that, and at the end of the term, whatever promise was due would be paid to the assured. So that is what is premium waiver benefit. Now this was all about life insurance. In health insurance too, there are 3 important riders. Let's have a look at that. Hospital cash rider, critical illness and personal accident. Hospital cash rider means a person needs cash reimbursement. At times when the person's patient is in hospital, there are daily cash requirements. If a person has opted for hospital cash rider, that cash would be reimbursed to the patient's family for which he may have incurred. This is more critical when the patient is in ICU. The only condition is that the person should be hospitalized for more than 24 hours. Again, there is an upper limit which is depending upon the insurance company. Critical illness, as we discussed, a person may suffer any critical illness and that have a big pinch on the pocket. If a person opts for a critical illness rider, that lump sum amount is paid back to the insurance holder. Personal accident, as again, a person may die or may not die. If he dies on the spot, then even in health insurance, he can get that lump sum amount. This takes us to the last part of the topic, vehicle insurance rider. We all love vehicles. I believe most of the people who are watching video, they have definitely vehicle insurance. This is because that's a statutory requirement. Now let's understand what are the 5 important vehicle insurance riders. First is the engine coverage. Now what is engine coverage? Many times there are people who are staying in the locality where there is lot of water seepage. As a result, the engine may get damaged. So if you have a engine coverage rider, all your engine expenses are taken care of. Zero depreciation cover. To understand this, let's assume a person A has a car worth rupees 10 lakhs, and if he has applied for a zero depreciation cover, after 2 years of wear and tear, the car's value in books would reflect 10 lakhs. Say at the rate of 10%, it would reflect 1 lakh. It is getting depreciated on the first year, and second year again 1 lakh, so 8 lakhs. But in and if there is any claim, the claim would be given or calculated on 8 lakhs rupees. But if this person has applied for zero depreciation cover, whatever claim value is there, it will be calculated on original 10 lakh and not 8 lakh. So always this is a rider which is must for all the vehicles we have. The third is road assistance and towing. Many times your car may have a breakdown, and then you would have to ask for towing and all that. So if you have opted for this rider, that things will be taken care of. Personal accident cover. A person may die on the spot. So a family bread earner who has not taken any insurance, at least in this way he will get some lump sum amount, the nominee. Last insurance rider for auto is ambulance and medical expense rider. When a person's meet an accident, there are n number of costs incurred, right from ambulance to other medical expenses. All such costs are taken care of. Now let's sum off. Do you feel now that in insurance we have to have certain important riders? Yeah, this may depend upon age to age and stage of life, but riders are really benefit. The cost of a rider really is not that much. You need to understand what matches or what suits your requirement. Choose right and reflect back all difficulties. Thank you. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Regards, Preeti.